Tidio is a powerful live chat and customer support tool that helps businesses connect with their website visitors in real time. Creating a Tidio account is simple and provides access to various features, including live chat, email automation, and customer communication management. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a Tidio account. Visit the Tidio website. Go to Tidio in your web browser. Click on Get Started. On the homepage, you will see a Get Started button. Click on it to proceed. Sign up. You can sign up using your email address or by connecting through Google, Facebook, or Microsoft. Choose the method that works best for you. Enter basic information. After signing up, you'll be asked to enter basic information such as your business name, website URL, your role. Choose a plan. Tidio offers a free plan with limited features, as well as paid plans for additional features. Select the plan that suits your business needs. Free plan. Basic live chat features. Paid plans. Access to advanced features like email automation, visitor monitoring, and integration with other tools. Verify your email. Tidio will send a confirmation email to your registered email address. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Complete setup. Once your account is verified, you'll be guided through the setup process where you can customize the chat widget and integrate Tidio with other services. Start using Tidio. After completing the setup, you will have access to your Tidio dashboard, where you can manage chats, configure settings, and track customer interactions.